The government of Alberta and the city of Calgary began planning for the Calgary Ring Road in the 1970s. During the 1980s and 1990s, the province purchased most of the lands needed for the transportation utility corridor around Calgary, where the Ring Road would be built. Calgary is known as the head office capital for the Canadian oil patch. Therefore, it only makes sense that a well-maintained, efficient transportation network, combined with a high-capacity modern airport, receive top priority in order to support future development. The third part of the Ring Road is the Southwest Ring Road. The delivery model applied to this portion of the Southwest Ring Road was a design, build, financed, operate, and maintain PPP with a contract value of $1.42 billion. The successful proponent was a consortium called Mountain View Partners. Standard General and E-Construction were selected as paving subcontractors for 1.1 million tons of HMA value of 100 million Canadian, and Alberta Highway Services had the successful proposal to provide 30 years of O&M value $203 million Canadian. Standard General will also be placing approximately 10,000 cubic meters of concrete for curb, gutter, and median construction at all interchanges within the property boundary, a value of $4 million Canadian. The current project, located in the southwest quadrant of the city, borders our neighbor to the west. The Land Assembly was created in 1889 by the federal government as one part of the Treaty 7 First Nations Agreement. The Tsuut'ina Nation is comprised of 2,050 members, residing over 76,000 acres of pristine Alberta land. The new freeway borders the extreme west edge of the city of Calgary and also cuts through the most eastward portion of the Tsuut'ina Reservation. The proximity of the freeway to First Nations land will undoubtedly create a huge development opportunity for the nation both now and well into the future. When complete, the new infrastructure will add 21 kilometers of a 6 to 8 lane divided freeway, 10 kilometers of connector road, 14 interchanges, as well as 47 bridge structures to accommodate the free flow of traffic at speeds of 100 kilometers per hour. The construction phase began April of 2017, and the entire project must be fully operational by 2021. The SWST Ring Road will provide much-needed transportation access to a very large tract of prime development land that has been patiently waiting for over a decade to begin providing housing solutions to citizens of Calgary.